It's sale season. Hello. I'm actually tired of hauling. Wow, that's a horrible way to start off a video. I said in the past I wanted to focus on more styling and kind of more vlogs because I'm having more fun with that, and I feel like you guys like those videos more physically, like you actually thumbs them up more. But today I wanted to bring to you a few pieces I picked up in the sale. Designer sales are starting now, and I just wanted to put it out there before, you know, the good stuff is gone, because I did some market research for you guys. I went to a few places, tried on some things, took photos. So first I'm gonna haul for you guys some pieces that I picked up, and then I'm gonna talk about some good places to go to shop the sales, and some other things that I possibly might go back for, and I have photos and stuff. All of the pieces I did pick up are from Holt Renfrew. At first when I picked these up, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna love them as much as like they are on the hanger, but these pants fit so beautifully on. They're a pair of plaid check pants from C by Chloe. They give me vintage vibes, but they're still modern at the same time. I don't know, these pants fit amazingly. They're a nice flare wide leg, and they just look so good with the next piece that I'm going to show you guys. They were on sale for, I believe that's 40% off. Yeah, $330 from $550. So pretty good price. These are cute. In the fitting room, I had tried them on with my triple S's, and it was just a look. Like, the way the pants draped over the shoes, like the salesperson who was helping me, I always forget, Holt Renfrew actually does free hemming, and these pants were maybe like a quarter of an inch long on me, but as long as I wear heels or like shoes that are elevated, then it's fine. But I love the way they drape over those sneakers. The next piece I have is something basic, but it fits so well. It is this Acne t-shirt. When I bought it, it had makeup on it, which made me sad, but I think that can come out. I had hauled last summer two of their like oversized, I believe the Tennille t-shirt. This one is called, I'll put it in the description box, but this t-shirt is basically the opposite of what I have. It just has a beautiful neckline. It just sits so well on your collarbone, and it's fitted throughout the entire body, but yet has this straighter cut to it. It's hard to explain. I don't know, man. Acne t-shirts, they're just on another level. Like, it's weird because I'm just wearing a t-shirt, but I've actually gotten so many questions about where my t-shirts from whenever I wear them. So they're really good quality. I would recommend them. And half the time they end up in sales. So honestly, like, if you don't want to spend $200 on one, wait till they hit the sale. This one was on sale for $72 from $145, and I was contemplating getting the black one, but then they didn't have my size in the black one. Maybe if I go to another Holt Renfrew and I find it, I'll pick it up. But yeah, this one was really good, and it looks so good with those dress pants to dress them down. I did not realize Holt Renfrew sells Levi's. I picked up a pair of their 501 skinnies. Honestly, hands down, I think the 501 is my favorite fit from Levi. Yeah? I'm obsessed with light wash denim. Anytime I see a good, proper pair of light wash jeans, I can't put it down. I just gravitate towards it because I can never have enough of them. And as long as it's high-waisted, especially with that buttonfly closure, and it has some really cute rips done, like, I'm here for it. And the 501 skinny is nice because it's like fitted through the hip and the thigh, but it kind of straightens out in the calf, which I think is very flattering. Sometimes when something is super skinny throughout the entire leg, it just makes it look, I don't know, sometimes they just make you look like you have peg legs. It's just weird. It makes my cheeks look cute, and I really like these jeans. And they look so good with this Acne t-shirt. Like, I don't know why, I just feel so on when I have these together. Man, like, when you have really good fitting basics, you're just like, I'm not just wearing a basic outfit. I'm also going to start saying the sizes that I purchase just to be of a good reference to you guys, because sometimes I don't say them and then I end up getting comments about what size I bought, especially during like sale season, because people want to know in reference to me trying them on. And also with like me saying the prices, it's all to help you. None of this is to show off or do anything. It's literally just to give you information. These jeans were on sale for $64 from $108, and I have them in a size 28. Yeah, they fit pretty well. The waist I do have to wear a belt with, but otherwise it's fine. I have this t-shirt in a size medium. I thought I was gonna be the small, but honestly with my boobs, the medium's better because it's a slim fit tee. In these Chloe pants, I am a size 4. I'm gonna be honest, I feel like those Chloe pants, because they're like a little bit looser and more relaxed, I was able to fit into the 4, but I usually wear a size 6. My waist will fit into 4s, but like my thighs usually need the 6. Whenever I purchase things, I never ever ever purchase with the intention to return. It's annoying, it's a waste of my time, it's a waste of their time. If I want it, I buy it. If I don't want it, I don't buy it. And I'm not shading people who return things. This is not what I'm saying. It's just a hassle, and I don't have time for hassles. But there's this one piece I actually want your opinion on. And be completely honest with me, like straight up. I picked up one of the classic opening ceremony bomber jackets. Now, I wanted this bomber for years. Like, I've been looking at it for a really long time. I actually originally wanted the long version of this, but I guess I never saw it. I don't know. I'm torn between the long version and this. But my question to you guys is this jacket played out? What's going through my mind right now is it played out? Yes. Is it extra? Yes, but so am I. And it's a classic bomber at the same time. So it's like, I know I could get use out of it. So I'm just very like on the fence about this right now. So give me your opinion whether or not I should keep it. Yeah, Holt Renfrew has 2 weeks you can return sale. I styled it up with those Chloe pants, the Acne t-shirt, and I threw this on top, and I just felt like it was such a good look. It gives you that like you're borrowing your boyfriend's jacket kind of look, which I like. I picked this up in a size small and it still fits oversized enough. It does come in extra small as well. I just feel like this with like dress pants or sock boots or just other pieces that are more elevated and not as like streetwear would look so cool with it. 69% gonna keep it, but like let me know actually, let me know. It was on sale for $300 from $495. So this one, what? Is that 40% off? Even the gentleman who helped me, like, he was so sweet, by the way. He was even shocked. He's like, why is this in the sale? He's like, I didn't realize. Because I went on the first day of the sale, after they had, like, the pre-sale. And he was just like, oh, I had no idea. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And be honest with me, because I can take it. I can take it. But anywho, it's your classic wool body bomber from opening ceremony. And it has, like, the oversized OC logo on the chest, the snap button front, and then it has like the patches on the arms and also the American flag on the other arm, which I'm not too crazy about. And then it has the opening ceremony and the torch sword knife things. I think it's sick. I do think it's a timeless piece, but at the same time I'm just like, do I need it or do I just want it? So this next part of the video, I'm going to, oh, the sun, come out girl. I want to talk about the places that are having sales and where you should go now for like the best discounts and stuff. Oh, and PS, I can only really speak about Toronto or like Canadian stores, not really the US, but I'm sure worldwide you guys will have your different department stores that are similar and you should check them out as well too. Me personally, I think Holt Renfrew has the best discounts when it comes to designer sales, and especially the fastest. Usually on the first day, like a lot of their stuff will be at 40 to 50% off. I noticed when I went to places like Nordstrom, they said up to 40% off, but a lot of things were like 30, some were 20, and I was like, okay, well, I'm leaving. And I just found that Nordstrom's buy wasn't as strong as Holt's or Saks. Like, I just feel like Nordstrom, I kind of like put under the rug a bit. I'm going to talk about Nordstrom, and they do actually have some really good handbags on sale. Like, it actually kind of took me back a bit. I like certain places for certain things. Okay. There are the few luxury boutiques that do go into sale, like Versace, Burberry, and stuff. I just haven't really walked in there. I just feel like department stores do some of the best discounts because they own the product because they purchased it from these actual designers, and half the time they do really good discounts because they just want to get rid of the product. They don't want to hold on to it. But sometimes I notice with boutiques, they either A, don't go on sale, or when they go on sale, it might not be as deep of a sale because of like reputation and stuff. But half the time, department stores, they just want to get rid of the stuff because they got to buy for the next season. So we'll start off with whole rent through. Other than what I showed you, they have a really good contemporary sale, but their shoe sale is insane. They had actually started their pre-sale this past Victoria Day weekend. There just wasn't any signage up, but it was extremely busy. The first thing I tried on from them are a pair of the classic Gucci Princetown slippers. Guys, I've never seen these shoes on sale. Like, where do they do that? I tried on these slippers because I always wanted a pair, and they were on sale for $5.79. That's what the lady told me. I did not purchase them because they made my feet look like a boat. I'm gonna be honest. Look, I look long. It's not cute, and I already have size 40 feet, and for a girl, like, they're bigger. They look like a canoe. Like, I would not do it. By the way, these slippers also were on sale in the black as well too, which is like mind-blowing. I was just like, why are they on sale? Because mules already make your feet look big, and then I have size 40 feet and they're white, they just look extra long. So if the bees were on them to like break up the length of my foot, it would be so much better. Gucci Princetown slippers. I hope by the time that I post this video they're not all sold out, but trust me, like, people were going insane. Balenciaga Speed trainers were in the sale. Now, you need to act really fast with stuff like this. When classic stuff like this goes into the sale, like, they fly. Obviously, every size wasn't out. I tried on the 40s. They fit, and I was like, yo, should I pick these up? Like, they're a good classic piece. But when I put them on, I didn't fall in love with them. I was just like, they're a little bit basic. But I just felt like, for me right now, if I don't put on something and I'm like, wow, then I'm not going to buy it. Especially if it's something designer and it's pricier. These were on sale for 30% off, which I think is a pretty good discount, for $6.99. Triple S's were on sale, guys. Okay, if you guys don't hate them. This colorway was on sale, the colorful one. And also black. All black. I was shooketh. I was like, wow. And they were like 40% off. I was like, oh, y'all closing down. Luckily, my colorway wasn't on sale because I would have thrown hands. It's okay. Sometimes, honestly, like, if you love something so much, you're like okay with paying regular price. I lied, no. Not if it's like $500 less. I'd be cheese. But I actually got my triple S's for a discount. But I'll talk about that in the little review I did. Also tried on some Stuart Weitzman mirror mules. They had a few of them on sale. What else? Some really good Acne stuff in the sale. Some really good Balenciaga stuff. Look at these clutches and this hat. Really, really good. This hat was on sale for $325 from $465. I only saw the red and the burgundy on sale though. Yeah, and by the way, this stuff was in the men's section. Honestly, ladies, men's, crisscross your sections because you can find some pretty good stuff sometimes. Also found this really beautiful Loewe coat. Wow. $1,600 from $3,026. I can't see the price. I can't zoom in that far. There's also a few other things that I would go back for. Like, a lot of, like, the Alexander Wang stuff. Like, they're just still a bit pricey for me. But I would definitely go back if they get discounted further. Like, some of their sweaters. They had these, like, really cool pants. Like, they just have some really cool basics I would go back for. They have some really good girlfriend denim in the sale. I tried on these camo pants. I really, 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 really like them. But they were on sale for $240, and I'm just like, for camel pants, I don't want to pay that much. Like, maybe I'd pay like $100, $150 max, but the original price of these pants were $400. I did not realize girlfriend denim was so expensive, but the fit of it is so good, and I feel like these pants would be so dope with like a black blazer and just really elevated nicely. and some like sock boots. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I did walk into Saks the last time I had my little bourgeois day to myself. And they were having a pre-sale going on, and the stuff they had like was pretty good. I really, really like Saks's buy. It's just that maybe if you have time to go there, stop by there. I just feel like Holt Renfrew is probably one of the best places to go because they have like a bigger selection, really good discount, and just a bigger selection. Yeah. Don't get me wrong, Saks is a really good place to hit up as well too. It's just out of the way for me. It's just not really in my area. Oh, I feel like Saks would have good designer bags as well too. Maybe I should go back. Nordstrom actually had a really good shoe wall, shoe rack, very comparable to Holt Renfrew's. Like, here's a photo of it. There were some pretty good stuff. Like, I like those Alexander Wang boots. Those Chloe ones were really cute. But I really, really liked their handbag stuff that was out. Like, they might kick me for posting this if they see this video because it was a hot mess on that table. But first, I came across this Burberry backpack. It is so cute and such a classic piece. I can't remember the price. I think it was on sale for $900. This one was the one with the black leather straps, but also came with the silver leather straps as well too. And then look at this photo of all these handbags. A hot mess, but honestly, like, there's Loewe, there's Chloe, there's Valentino. That Rockstug handbag right there, that white one, it was on sale for $22.31 from $37.20. It was like this classic Loewe backpack as well too. I can't speak for like Barney's and Saks and Neiman Marcus in the US or Selfridges in the UK, but those are all places to check out as well too. And let's keep in mind, let's slow our roll because online designer sales are about to pop up too. And you already know Essence is there, and it is a fact. Essence already has their sale going on. I'll leave links down below to the designer department stores that I shopped at. I will also leave links below for my favorite websites that go on sale, like, pretty well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I just wanted to put something out to you really quickly so you're aware. Don't forget to let me know what you think about the OC bomber as well too. Make sure you watch these other videos you may have missed, and I'm planning on posting a bit more often this summer, so click that bell button so you know you get notified when I post videos, and click my face to subscribe so we can see more of each other. I love you guys so much, and take care.